The local economy was already limping before the COVID-19 pandemic hit and put it on a downward spiral. President Cyril Ramaphosa says interventions outlined will achieve a secure and reliable energy supply within 2 years. He says they will create and support over 800,000 work opportunities in the immediate term and unlock more than $1 trillion in infrastructure investment over the next 4 years. The plan aims to reduce data costs and promote localization and exports.
Our infrastructure build program will focus on social infrastructure such as schools, water, sanitation and housing for the benefit of our people. We will focus on critical network infrastructure such as our ports, our roads and rail that are key to our economy's competitiveness. We have taken steps to remove the constraints that have over time hampered infrastructure delivery over a number of years.
Energy security is seen as another key catalyst. The president says rapid expansion of energy generation capacity is a priority. He says the process to implement bid window 5 of the renewable energy program has begun and that government is also taking steps to enable power generation for own use. The president says the work of restructuring Eskom into 3 separate entities is continuing.
We are accelerating the implementation of the integrated resource plan to provide a substantial increase in the contribution of renewable energy sources, battery storage, and gas technology. This should bring around 11,800 megawatts of new generation capacity into the system by 2022. More than half of this energy will be generated from renewable sources. In the immediate term, agreements will be finalized with independent power producers.
But not everyone is optimistic about the implementation of the infrastructure plan.
I'm not optimistic about this infrastructure plan because it doesn't answer a very important issue, which is that the biggest cause of the decline in infrastructure investment over the past 5 years has been a public sector investment strike, not a private sector investment strike.
The president has noted that a critical pillar of this plan is the fiscal framework that will be outlined by the finance minister in the medium-term budget policy statement at the end of the month. He says the framework will provide a path of fiscal consolidation, debt reduction and reprioritization that is supportive of growth and recovery. Gloria Sefakomosi, SABC News, Johannesburg.